Chris, what does this do? See how it's slightly oval? Slightly oval. I know it turns into a T-wrench. Can't do it with one hand. Notice the grips. It's the same on the end of that and the end of the socket wrench itself. And the sockets themselves, just beautiful. You can see the top's kind of shiny in the bottom. There's the Koken logo. It's sort of a rougher finish, made in Japan. Really nice. Spin. This has a really nice action to it. Smooth and stiff. There's the Koken mat and the Toyo. A bit dark. It came with all these stickers. It's such a cheesy logo. Looks like it's from the 50s. Yeah, what else? How else could you use this? I mean, it's got ball bearings on the end, but it's oval. It has to be something you can do. Put it onto it.